To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos. A new drug, 2-DG or 2-deoxy-D-glucose, developed by DRDO, will now be available to COVID-19 patients. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare of India, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, launched the first batch of 10,000 doses of the drug on May 17, 2021. This comes after the Drugs Controller General of India, DGCI, granted emergency approval for 2-DG as an adjunct therapy for moderate and severe COVID-19 cases. An adjunct therapy assists the primary treatment. DRDO claimed that the drug speeds up recovery and reduces the need for supplemental oxygen in hospitalized patients. This video brings you 2-DG's journey from a lab in Hyderabad to clinical trials in hospitals across the country. In 2020, DRDO's Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences joined forces with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad, to evaluate 2-DG against COVID-19. 2-DG mimics glucose, a sugar molecule that provides energy to cells. It was primarily evaluated as an anti-cancer drug, as cancer cells are highly dependent on glucose. Cancer cells consume 2-DG thinking it is glucose, but the drug does not provide cancer cells with energy, causing them to starve. Theoretically, 2-DG could inhibit the growth and replication of the virus. That prompted scientists to test the drug against the new coronavirus. Though it is still an unapproved anti-cancer drug, scientists from the Hyderabad-based Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology performed preliminary studies in the lab. In cells cultured in the lab, they found that 2-DG prevented growth in the novel coronavirus. These results made way for Phase 2A, Phase 2B and Phase 3 clinical trials. DRDO and Dr. Reddy Labs conducted Phase 2 clinical studies on 100 patients between May to October 2020. Phase 2A was carried out in 6 hospitals, and Phase 2B was conducted at 11 hospitals all over the country. Following this, the Phase 3 trial was conducted in 220 patients at 27 hospitals in various parts of the country. The results showed that the drug improved symptoms in a significantly higher proportion of patients. About 42% of patients on 2-DG did not need oxygen therapy by day 3, compared to 31% in the control group. DRDO has not published data from the clinical studies yet. They are expected to make it public in the coming days. 2-DG can meet the growing demands as it is easy to produce. It comes in powder form and should be dissolved in water before consuming it. The second wave of COVID-19 pandemic has challenged the country as patients scramble for oxygen and hospital beds. Please stay safe by masking up, following social distancing and getting vaccinated.